What's happening, y'all? What's good with it? Right now, we at the flea market, just finished setting up all that good kind of stuff. You see the tide in my eyes, you feel me? But we gonna get to it. I actually literally just dropped a video while I'm filming and stuff like that. So, trying to get my doggone YouTube app to work on. I'm on my laptop right now, y'all. Trying to get this thing to work, but it don't want to work, man. It's all good. Still gonna get to this chicken. We're gonna see how that day go. I'm about to show y'all the booth right now though.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Oh, hey.
Khalil, you going crazy.
901 O'Key. 901 O'Key. No, I ain't fly, but I'm not one of those. She gave me schlive in the car in the cold. Speed up the process, can't speed up the.
Day two, y'all. Trying to do better than yesterday. Now I forgot what I was gonna say. But yeah, I think I got what I was gonna say. Just started today. I ended up selling some headphones for like $5. Camera, please focus. Sold some headphones for $5. So it's like 9 o'clock right now. I'm trying to make the money so I can buy some shoes today. I'm just being 100 and pay these bills too. They on my neck, you know what I'm saying? But hopefully we do good today, man. Lord willing. Yeah, no. Y'all gonna see. Yesterday we sold 2 rugs and 3 pairs of socks. Hopefully everything is sold today for a good price. You know, yeah.
Go. I gotta be logic, ain't studying you. I gotta be alone, I gotta roll. I cannot feed into you. I've been jumped in and you know I will not sell my soul. I cannot go out like that, no. I want the green guy cold. I gotta fill up that tank, get to that cash, I get to the bank. Life going fast, shit ain't a prank. I'm on the really what you think. I was down bad, I couldn't complain. I still gonna pay, I'm making a change. They drop it like fly right before your eyes, making it by, trying to get by. My people tired, they tired. Asking questions, but only want one answer, and that's why nobody know, they just wanna argue and divide. Keeping it plain and simple, stay in your lane, you ain't for Memphis. Giving you game, you might be missing. Giving you game, just gotta listen. Foot on the gas, I'm holding the sack. Gotta make sure that we make it back. Gotta make sure that we saving cash. Gotta make sure that we speak the facts. I cannot let that, might think about attacking me. Pose in the back like it's posed out on every street. He just might walk out and walk you down there. Tell the kids they at school, it ain't nothing in the damn street. I'm not a fool, can't too much get past me. You gotta move, gotta groove like an athlete. No, I don't feed even if you tap me. No, I don't feed even if you at me. Bitch, get personal, made it to C25, no rehearsal. Get off your ass, can't be square in a circle unless you get up and work like Urkel. Money ain't everything, but it's worth it. Making a better change, I learned her. Going out like a cane, so personal. You can't be running game on your circle. No, I ain't fly, but I'm not one of those. She gave me schlive in the car in the cold. Speed up the process, can't speed up the goal. I gotta be logic, ain't studying you. I gotta be alone, I gotta roll. I cannot feed into you. I've been jumped in and you know I will not sell my soul. I cannot go out like that, no. I want the green guy cold. I gotta fill up that tank, get to that cash, I get to the bank. Life going fast, it ain't a prank. I'm on the air, really what you think? I was down bad, I couldn't complain. I still gonna pay and I'm making a change. Don't say my name, don't say my name, don't say my name. If it ain't positive, give me a deposit slip. I'm here to the bank. You know we gon' get this shit. You know what I think. key. Dolo might be my only option. No, I didn't go to college, still ain't win no shot. Still can't take my soul out of me. Don't care what they say about me. I done been down, couldn't get out. I done been down, talking about so out. So my mom and my daddy couldn't do nothing about. Had to soak up the game before I go out. Had to soak up the game before I go. I done got stuck in the middle of the road. I do not have nowhere else to go. I just got stuck in the middle of the cold. It can get cold and cold and cold. Stay up in lane. If you make a change, I'ma do the same. This ain't no game. And I know it might sound typical. And I know it might sound, Dolo might be my only option. No, I didn't go to college, still ain't win no shot. Still can't take my soul out of me. Don't care what they say about me. I done been down, couldn't get out. I done been down, talking about so out. So my mom and my daddy couldn't do nothing about. Had to soak up the game before I go out. Had to soak up the game before I go out. All the bad habits had to throw out. Keep your same let go pain, a melt down. Keep your same let go pain, a melt down. Time and time again, had to show up and change my mind again. If the love ain't real, can't pretend. I still love all the people that love me when I'm down. Dolo might be my only option. No, I didn't go to college, still ain't win no shot. Still can't take my soul out of me. Don't care what they say about me. Check. I make moves, I'm a smooth dude. I didn't get it all my life, hard-headed little screw. Had to go adapt to that shit I wasn't used to. I elevated like that Jesus Christ, not voodoo. I had to bump my head so many times, still do. They get a busy line when they trying to avoid you. You fall so many times thinking that they were there for you. You gotta get on your shit, cause they don't hold you. Don't give it up, you got it, bro, even when you don't got it through. Couldn't prison wrap it up, they see that I'm not average, bro. They see me climbing up, they don't know that I'm climbing for